Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use multiple accounts on WhatsApp. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So as you can see here, we are on this meta article that is showcasing this feature of WhatsApp and it has been added as a feature. So now you will be able to start connecting multiple accounts into your WhatsApp. And if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. So here, let's just go to this help center article of WhatsApp, and here it will show us how to switch accounts and how to add even a second account into your WhatsApp. So simply in Android, you will be needing to go to the settings, and after that, you will find accounts. And as you can see here in this image, we can go through these settings either by clicking your profile picture or on this 3 points icon. So here you will go to your account. So from here, you will click on account and you will have this add account option that will be added. After that, you will need just to agree and continue. And then you will select your country and enter your new phone number so you can add your new account. And after you verifying your account by adding your digit code that has been sent by text or phone call, etc., etc., and you enter your name and tap on next, and now you have your new account that has been added successfully to your WhatsApp app. And the same would be similar for iOS. So you will need just to wait for this option that to be added uh, in the future. So as you can see, it will be going into future and it will be added to other operating systems. So after that, you will be able to start switching accounts by clicking on this 3 points icon that you will see into your WhatsApp app and click on it. You click on switch accounts and then you will be able to see all your accounts as follow and you can click on anyone that you would want to choose. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.